I was at Shoppers yesterday and I did not understand why makeup was so expensive at Shoppers. I was actually looking for my e.l.f. corrector that I always use and they didn't have it. So I found the Essence ones, $5.99 Essence. Anyways, this video is about trying alternatives, like cheaper versions, and I have a couple. I have this guy here that I want to try. Now let me show you my corrector that I use is this shade. Mostly I did a video prior about my under eye bags, and that is why I use such a dark, deep shade. Because I wanted to try something like this to see if it would work as well. I know I've had questions about under eye bags, and I did film a video on how I actually try to conceal it. You can't fully hide it, but kind of try to conceal it. I did try the consistency when I bought it yesterday on my hands, and I really, really liked it. It almost seemed like it was a dupe for the Kosas one. I really liked the consistency of the Kosas concealers and the correctors, but this one, for those of you that like Kosas, this one, the consistency was very, very similar. So let's go. Obviously it's going to be brightening because of the color. It's very lightweight. Okay, let that kind of sit there for a little bit. I think this is going to work. I think we're going to have a winner here. I want that to kind of dry. Let's blend that in. Guys, my phone literally snapped out of my stand. Okay, so like I was saying, biggest concern is my not really dark circles as much, more like the bags. Not bad. That did something. I do like it. What do you guys think? Did it do anything? Like, you guys are watching, can you tell if it did anything? Because to me, it looks like it did. Like I said, bags are kind of hard to really hide completely, but we can definitely somewhat conceal them. Ooh, I do like that. Okay, let's lay the rest of my makeup on and I will be back to show you how everything looks and if I actually like it. Okay guys, so I added the powder and everything on top and I really don't mind it. I don't know how consistent I'm gonna be. I'll see how it lasts and if it gets gray underneath, because that's also one of my biggest issues as well. But so far so good. It's definitely worth it. Like I said before, I think I am personally gonna get the darker shade as well, and then I can kind of mix the two and work them together so it won't be too dark and it won't be too light either. But it did sit pretty well underneath my powders and everything, so yeah. That's all. Bye.